Today I'm making gyros style chicken and roasted veg flatbreads. You can also do this with wraps. I've got 4 or 5 chicken thighs, but you can use breasts. I've got the gyros spice mix, some chopped peppers, the flatbreads, courgette, cucumber and tomatoes. The reason for this is that my kids sometimes like salad in a wrap with meat instead of veg, or sometimes they want it on the side. So I thought I'd do 2 options here for all the family. So there's about half a courgette cut into slices. Pop the peppers in the bowl. And now I'm going to sautee those for about 15 minutes with a little bit of cooking oil. I saved some from my grilled pepper jar, which is a great tip. You can do that with any jarred food in oil. Rather than throwing it out, don't waste it, use it for cooking. I'm going to kind of come back to that in a minute. So I'm going to cut about a quarter of the cucumber, cut it into chunky slices, and pop that in a bowl, as I say, to serve as a side salad or in the wrap with the tomatoes. Now the chicken I marinated in the spice mix the night before, but you can just add it onto the chicken on the time of cooking if you prefer. Just trying to save a bit of time here. Going to heat my wok and put a drizzle of oil in there. I'm now going to get the chicken to cook. I'm just going to move these chicken thighs over to the wok. And cook them on the flat side down first for about 5 minutes. Don't touch them, just let them cook. And now add a little bit of aromatic seasoning to the roasted veg. And after about 5 minutes, these should be cooked one side, so flip them over for another 5 minutes to finish off cooking time. And the veg is cooked, so I'm just going to scoop that out. Okay, I think the chicken is done. So I'm going to bring that over to my board and cut the chicken into thin slices. Once that's all sliced up, add the chicken into a box. Right, everything is all prepped. Ready just to construct the flatbreads. We're going to use mayonnaise. You can use garlic, mayo, sriracha, any sauce you want really. Just keep it simple for the kids. Right, I'm just going to heat the wok with a little bit more oil. Ready to reheat the flatbreads. You probably want like a couple of minutes each side. So here's the first one. They do crack a bit sometimes, so just got to go a bit careful. So first up is one of the kids' flatbreads. So some mayo on there. They just wanted chicken in theirs and salad on the side. Carefully roll that up. Okay, for the second one, just some mayonnaise again. For this one I wanted chicken and the roasted veg. So that's the kids' one, and that's my one.